Welcome back to our little green haven. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of starting plants from seed in March. Perfect timing for us Zone 6 gardeners. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey to plant paradise. March marks the beginning of a new growing season for many of us in Zone 6. It's a time of anticipation, of laying the groundwork for bountiful harvests to come. And what better way to kickstart this journey than by sowing seeds? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie with a green thumb itching to sprout, starting plants from seed is an incredibly rewarding experience. Plus, it's super budget-friendly and gives you complete control over your garden's destiny. So, what can we sow in March? Well, the options are aplenty. Hardy vegetables like kale, spinach, and lettuce are excellent choices for early planting. The lingering chill in the air and will reward you with fresh, crisp greens in no time. And let's not forget about our beloved herbs. Basil, cilantro, and parsley are all eager to jumpstart their journey from seed to savory goodness. Now, one key to successful seed starting is providing the right environment. Think of it as creating a cozy little nest for your seeds to snuggle into and germinate happily. Light is crucial for seedlings. So be sure to place your pots in a sunny spot where they can soak up those rays. If you're short on space indoors, a sunny windowsill will do just fine. And of course, our little green babies need water to thrive. But remember, moderation is key. Overwatering can lead to soggy soil and unhappy plants. As our seeds begin to sprout and grow, it's important to provide them with a bit of TLC along the way. Keep an eye out for any signs of pests or diseases, and nip them in the bud before they wreak havoc on your garden. And there you have it, folks. Starting plants from seed in March is as simple as that. With a little patience, a sprinkle of sunshine, and a whole lot of love, you'll be well on your way to a flourishing garden in no time. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy planting!